So we're gonna come right over here on the left. Relax, relax. Oh, it's a good one. I know those are your favorite.
Yeah.
Suboccipital muscles. It's very calming to the nervous system. A lot of people need this. Helps with sleep, rest. Everybody could use more sleep. All right, Thomas, how are you doing? You remember me. So what's been going on? I know Vanessa was saying you've got some feeling in your toe.
Starting to.
Yeah? When did you notice it coming back?
Sunday.
Sunday?
Just a slight twinge in the right foot,
Okay.
the toe.
Okay.
Today, bowling, I had a big pain in
Okay.
the big toe.
Yeah. Which is great. I know. Yeah.
It's the first time I've been happy for pain.
Pain, we got to get your feet talking more. That's the whole point, especially with neuropathy. We got to wake those nerves up, and that pain's part of the process. You know, you've not felt that, and now that we're waking those nerves up, and you've only been doing the neuropathy program for a week, and yeah, been getting adjusted. We've been working on waking those nerves up and doing the decompression, doing all the things we can to help get that feeling back. But I do have a feeling you've been very consistent with your at-home treatments, which is really nice. And it makes a difference when you show up for yourself. I mean, what happens after a week, you know? And then give us a few more months and where you're gonna be in a few months. I'm looking forward to it for you because I know that's a big deal. So, yeah, you're doing good? You ready to get adjusted?
Yep.
Let's do it. I'm gonna get you some face paper. Are you liking the berry greens so far?
Well, you mix them together with green stuff, it's not so good.
Not so good. Yeah, it doesn't always taste the best, but it does make a big difference and it helps. You just gotta mask that taste sometimes. All right.
Suck on a lemon after I get done.
You try to what?
Suck on a lemon.
On a lemon? Does it help?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Well, that's good. That's a good tip. I'll have to share that with other people. All right, so we're gonna start with some impulse in your low back. This is gonna help stimulate those nerves, the ones that we've been working on, going into your legs and feet. Good. Has the decompression been feeling all right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's improved my bowling.
Your bowling's getting better?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you score today?
Well, I've been carrying 152 the whole season since last fall.
Okay.
And for the last 2 weeks since I started all this, I've averaged 176.
Oh, that's a big improvement. There you go. Chiropractic, improving your bowling game.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes, it works. All right, take a deep breath in and let it all the way out. Good. And then we're gonna come a little bit lower. This is gonna help loosen up those muscles into your low back. Take a deep breath in again and all the way out. There we go, that's starting to move a lot easier. Okay, and then we're gonna help with the hips as well. The more we work on that foundation, it's gonna help with your feet. Not to mention loosening up your low back, get all that feeling better. One more. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna have you lay on your back with your head over here on this end of the table. Is the foot bath feeling okay? The foot bath that you're doing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's feeling okay. All right, so we're gonna come right over here on the left. Relax, relax. Oh, it's a good one. I know those are your favorite.
Yeah.
We're gonna come a little bit lower. Good. Come all the way to the right. There we go. And the more tension we get off your neck, the more tension comes off the low back at the same time. And we're gonna hold here, and we're just gonna loosen up your suboccipital muscles. It's very calming to the nervous system. A lot of people need this. Helps with sleep, rest. Everybody could use more sleep. Nobody sleeps enough. I got a 2-year-old, I definitely don't sleep enough. All right, you can go ahead and sit up. You got it? Cool. No one lets a pregnant lady help them up anymore. Been told I'm not allowed. So Thomas has been with us for maybe a week and a half. He started first with chiropractic adjustments for his lower back, but the more we got to learn about Thomas, he actually has neuropathy in both his feet, which has completely taken away the feeling in his feet, which he's afraid, you know, if you can't feel your feet, am I gonna fall? Am I gonna have any accidents? And it really affects your life. So we talked about a neuropathy program, and he got started on that, which has been really great because the whole point of the neuropathy program is giving the nerves in, whether it's your hands, arms, feet, any of those areas. Essentially, it gives those nerves the opportunity to regrow and heal and give them what they need to do that.